Okay, hi, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna, and today we are going to be testing out the new-ish Maybelline Lifter Foundation and Concealer. We are going to be doing a full day wear test with these and going through all the claims, and yeah, if that interests you, just go ahead, keep on watching. And here's a look at the skin with nothing on it but my skincare. A little red, a little blotchy, the usual. Let's dive in with that foundation. As you can see, it is a little bit thicker than what I anticipated it to be. It's a bit moussey in texture, has a bit of a bounce to it. Anyway, let's talk about some of these claims. So this is the Maybelline Lifter Plump and Glow Foundation with hyaluronic acid. This comes in at $15.99 at Ulta, and we have got 24 shades. I actually had a little bit of trouble with picking my shade. I ended up going with 110. Initially, I think I had picked up 115, which is the cool undertone, but it was just way too deep on me. Maybelline Lifter Foundation is a 90% skincare formula with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid for plumpy and glowy skin. Yes, they use the word plumpy. Plumpy. I hate that. So this is a revolutionary skin-caring formula clinically tested to visibly plump and brighten skin instantly while improving your skin's health over time. It is a 90% skincare formula supercharged with niacinamide, a powerful antioxidant that helps refine pores and even skin tone, and hyaluronic acid to deeply hydrate and plump skin, minimizing the look of wrinkles. Achieve your perfect complexion with buildable coverage from a sheer natural glow to a more full coverage finish. Layer effortlessly without ever looking cakey or heavy. The radiant finish enhances your skin's natural luminosity, leaving you with a healthy, vibrant glow. Our long-wearing formula stays put all day, keeping you look fresh and confident. Find your perfect match in 24 diverse shades. Yeah, that's a good description. It is a diverse shade range. So what I will say is this is a beautiful foundation on initial application. It looks so pretty on the skin right off the bat, which I've felt that way about most of Maybelline's new launches. They look beautiful on the skin right off the bat, but I have not had great luck with wear time with any of the new Maybelline launches. Wear time has not been going well for me. It is glowy. It does live up to the claims of giving the skin a very plump, healthy, juicy look. The coverage is very adjustable and buildable. I think it does a great job as far as that goes. If you have dry skin, you're gonna love this. The dry skin girls are gonna be all over this one. Me, I am oily, but it said it was long wear, so I thought I could kind of get away with it, right? And I just wanted to test it out. This is definitely not geared towards my skin type, and I did not have the best longevity with it. Because, yes, I am oily. On initial application, you can see it looks glowy, it looks juicy, it just looks very youthful. And I do love a good glow, don't get me wrong. Even though I'm an oily girl, I like some glow. And you can see it definitely takes down the redness, hides any imperfections. It gives the skin a very realistic yet perfected look. A very hydrated, like you have the most skincare on type of look. So yeah, there it is all applied, and I think that looks so pretty. So let's go ahead and throw on that concealer now. This has a really neat doe foot. I really enjoyed the texture of this concealer. I think it is really nice and a standout product. I think, honestly, I like it better than the foundation. Especially for mature skin or drier skin, this is going to be a wonderful concealer for you because it is lightweight, has really nice coverage, and it's very hydrating. I feel like the concealer performed really well and has played well with other products. So to me, it's going to be the standout if I had to pick between the two. You've got 18 shades this time, coming in at $13.99. Maybelline Lifter Serum Concealer. Bright, full coverage with 2% peptides for brighter under eyes instantly and over time. And yeah, this does offer a full coverage, but it's not a heavy coverage. This is not going to look like Tarte Shape Tape or Camo Concealer or anything like that. This is a really nice kind of happy medium of those types of products. It really is a pretty nice concealer, honestly. It really has a nice texture. I think dry skin is really going to enjoy this one. And I know drier skin types tend to have a harder time finding those full coverage options with a concealer that don't look cakey and heavy. This is going to be a really good one to look at and try out. And again, you do have that adjustability with this one being more, you can sheer it out, build it up. Experience the brightening power of Maybelline's Lifter Concealer. This high-performance concealer delivers bright, full coverage that effortlessly conceals dark circles, blemishes, leaving you with a radiant complexion, which not too radiant. That's what I like about this concealer. It is a really nice, just even finish. This formula is clinically tested to hydrate and brighten the under eyes, both instantly and over time. It visibly improves the overall appearance of the under eye, reducing the look of dark circles and fine lines. Our long-wearing concealer formula is designed to stay put all day. Experience a perfected, bright under eye look that requires minimal touch-ups, keeping you looking fresh and confident throughout your busy day. And again, I will say that that is true for this concealer, but I found that the foundation, not so much. And again, you can find your perfect shade with the 18 shades of peptides. Peptides help to improve skin's elasticity and firmness, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Caffeine helps to depuff and brighten the under eye, minimizing the look of dark circles. And I think this is just a really nice, solid concealer. I enjoyed it overall. I thought it was a good, really good product. And performed wonderfully. It blended out easily. Very, very adjustable coverage. It can be sheared, it can be built up, and do exactly what I need a concealer to do. And I think it just set really pretty on the under eye. And to set the face, I used Maybelline Fit Me, just to kind of stay within the Maybelline brand. Just a good kind of staple powder that performs decent across the board, and it's a good trusty old favorite. So I'm just setting down the face real quick here and dusting away the excess with a powder brush. And you can see at this point there's still a bit of glow coming through, which to me looks really, really nice. You can tell I was liking the finish of all of this. And here's a look of how everything looks all finished. I thought it was a great makeup day. Everything looked really, really nice. We're starting our wear test out at 9:09 a.m. And yeah, I think everything is looking really, really nice at this point. Loving the way the complexion is looking. Jumping over to our first check-in at 2:54 in the afternoon, and we are melting. You can see definitely a little wear and tear on the chin. We are looking very faded, and just things did not hold up. I think the concealer looks good. Aside from a little smudge of mascara under there, the concealer area looks nice, but everywhere else in the face is very, very dewy. I am melting at that point. It is just very dewy and did not hold up well at all throughout the day. And this was not a crazy hot day. I had done a little bit of shopping at Walmart. And here we are at the end of my day. And in the video, it doesn't look as bad as it did in person. In person, I was just an oil slick at this point. I could not touch my face. It just felt like I was just melting. Absolutely melting at this point. I could potentially touched up, but I felt like it was just going to start patching off at this point. You can see where I've touched my face. And if you look closely there, you can see where it's just kind of coming off when I touch anywhere. It's just starting to, just patch off and really break down at this point. And this is at only 2 hours later at 5 p.m. It's looking that bad that I'm just like, I'm going to call it here. I think I know how I feel about this foundation. It just does not wear well on me because, again, I have oily skin. Warning, I have oily skin, and I've just not had good luck with the Maybelline lately as far as wear time goes. I think everything will look so pretty when I first put it on, and just like with the Superstay Lumi Matte, the wear time just isn't there. That being said, if you are a drier skin type, like a really glowy complexion, you're gonna love this foundation. For me, it didn't hold up. I didn't have great wear time with it at all. That being said, I really enjoyed the concealer. The concealer, I think, is going to be the standout product. I had a good time with it. I think it didn't settle in any fine lines. It wore really well. This is going to be good for mature skin as well. The drier, if you have a drier skin type, it's going to be nice on you. It's definitely going to help plump things up, juice up the skin, but don't look for longevity here. I think even if you are on the drier side, you're still not going to have like incredible longevity. That's just not the type of product this is. That's my thoughts and how things held up. Like I said, beautiful initially, but as the day went, in a matter of hours, it was just a makeup catastrophe. Anyway, let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll see you guys next one. Stay safe. Bye now.